Hello everyone and welcome to my very first YouTube video. I've been wanting to start my YouTube for a while and now I have the time and the equipment, so just went for it. And also because Olaplex number 0 just came out, so I wanted to get a review up because I love Olaplex so much. I love the number 3, and so when I seen them come out with something that could enhance number 3, I was just like, yep, I have to buy it. So I wanted to get a review up and show you how it looks on my 3B, 3C hair. And yeah, as I upload more, of course, I'll talk about myself a little bit more. You guys get to know me, and I just wanted to put my stab on the curly girl world, so and show you guys what works for me, the techniques I use, and stuff like that. So since this is my very first video, I would love if you guys subscribed and liked my video. And then I will have my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter on, so you can follow me as well. So I really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button. So if you want to see how I got these curls, these bouncy curls, just continue to watch this video. So right now I'm just looking at how dry and brittle my hair is and in need of a lot of moisture. So this is the first product, Olaplex number 0. And this is the second one, Olaplex number 3. So right now I'm just splitting my hair into 4s to make it easier to apply to my hair. So about Olaplex number 0, it primes hair to absorb nourishment for maximum repair. It rebuilds hair bonds and strengthens and protects the hair integrity. It's best used when it's used with the 2-part system, which is Olaplex number 0 and Olaplex number 3. It shows 68% more repaired and 3% stronger, like I said, when used both at the same time. So the best way to apply this product is to apply from roots to end and kind of massage it into the roots and then just go all the way out to the ends. Now, the only thing I'm not a fan of is how long it took to saturate my hair. But other than that, this product was amazing, and my curls definitely shined and looked very strong and repaired after this. So I'm going to finish applying the rest of number 0 to my hair to get it fully saturated, and I will come back and show you guys what that looks like. So I'm just finishing applying the rest of Olaplex number 0 to my hair, and then I will not rinse this out. I will let this sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll come back after the 10 minutes are up and apply Olaplex number 3 on top of my hair. So after the 10 minutes are up, I am coming back in with Olaplex number 3 to put it right on top of my hair. So about Olaplex number 3, it is Olaplex's best-selling product. It will restore your hair's healthy appearance and texture by repairing damage and protecting the hair structure. You apply on dampened hair and you apply from roots to end. You can use this once a week or 2 to 3 times a week for extremely damaged hair, and it's for all hair types. And you really need to apply a generous amount from roots to end, like I said. And then you comb it through and leave it on for a minimum of about 10 minutes. I leave it on for like 30 to 45 minutes because I wanted it to sit on my hair a little bit longer. So this product is for all hair types. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, nut-free, paraben-free. And it's just an amazing product. I've been using Olaplex number 3 for about 7 months now, and it has repaired my hair so much I cannot even tell you. And I'm so thankful I started using it because my hair looks so much better. Right now I'm just kind of raking the rest of the product through my hair and just looking at my hair and just looking at how my curls are starting to be repaired, and it just looks so good. So I'm letting this sit for 30 to 45 minutes and then I'll come back on and style my hair. So I just finished washing out Olaplex number 0 and Olaplex number 3 out of my hair, and I'll be styling with Quiet Calm Curl Control by Innersense and also I Create Hold. If you don't know or have never used Innersense, it is an organic brand and their motto is "We believe in clean, pure, and beautiful." Innersense's mission is to empower, inform, and inspire beauty and wellness, helping our customers make healthier and cleaner choices that align with their personal values. I honestly love Innersense. My hair feels so much more healthier, especially when I use the shampoo, conditioner, and then the product. When you use it, you will definitely see a difference in your hair. And for Quiet Calm Curl Control, it hydrates and defines curls and also eliminates frizz. So this product has certified organic shea butter, rubies tea, and honey extract. And it smells so good. It's probably the orange flower that I'm smelling in this product. Okay, so now about I Create Hold. It achieves sustainable shape from roots to end with a styling gel formulated with certified organic honey that acts as a natural design, and rubies tea for antioxidants rejuvenation. It provides an incredible shine and powerful hold. I'm just going to finish applying this to the rest of my hair and I will come back on and show you guys how it looks. So right now I'm just kind of doing a little finger curls at my bangs area to get a little bit more definition, especially for when my hair dries, because when I do this, the front of my hair looks so much better. And yeah, this is how it looks after I've let it air dry, and I'm just kind of picking it out just a little bit to give it a little bit more volume because it's very, very, very defined. So I did let it finish air drying last night, and then I put it in my satin scarf overnight, and then when I woke up this morning I kind of fluffed it out and gave it a little pick to give it a little bit more volume because it was kind of really small because it was really defined, but just to give it a little volume, just picked it out a little bit. But other than that, all in all, I would recommend Olaplex number 0 to anybody. It really does enhance number 3 like I said it does. My curls are really defined right now, and I will continue to use it. The only issue I do have with it is at the top of the number 0, it only squirts out a little like thin line. It's not a lot, so it takes a longer to saturate your hair. And I know for girls that have thicker hair than me, it will take them even longer to saturate. So that is my only issue with it. I wish more came out of the bottle. That's just like a little minor detail that I didn't like about it. But other than that, I love the product and I would recommend it to anybody. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about buying it, I think you should buy it. To give it a chance so it can show you what it really does for your hair, strengthens and repairs and rebuilds the bonds in your hair. And so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please comment down below. And so if you want to see more videos, like I said, please subscribe. I'll be posting a video very soon, another video very soon. I will see you guys in my next video.